In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get different shields and unlock all shield skins in Monopoly Go. Let's dive right in and get you all the shields you've been eyeing. First off, you'll want to open up your game. Once you're in, you'll notice a shield icon at the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you'll be able to view and select from the various shield skins you've got available. Now, if you're wondering how to go about unlocking new shields, there are two main strategies you can employ. The first method involves completing ongoing in-game events. These events are a fantastic way to not only enjoy the game, but also to earn some nifty rewards, including shields. An example of such an event is Bavarian Adventures. As you participate and progress in these events, you'll be able to collect different items and reach milestones. Each milestone you achieve may bring a new shield as a reward, adding a bit more flair and personalization to your game experience. It's a fun way to keep things fresh and exciting, as each event often brings something new to the table. Moving on to the second way to gather those shields, focus on completing your daily and weekly tasks. Towards the bottom left corner of your screen, there's a Wins button. By tapping it, you can access quick wins that are updated daily. Make it a habit to finish these quick wins every day. Not only do they keep you engaged with consistent gameplay, but they also contribute to your progress in unlocking items, including those exclusive shield skins. Once you complete these tasks, check your weekly rewards. You might be pleasantly surprised to find an exclusive shield skin waiting for you. These tasks are structured to help you gradually build up your collection without overwhelming you. And there you have it. By participating in ongoing events and diligently completing your daily and weekly tasks, you'll be well on your way to collecting all the shield skins available in Monopoly Go. It's all about persistence and enjoying the process, each step bringing you closer to a more customized and visually unique game setup. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy gaming, and may your shields be ever in your favor.